We back at it again, making some hot Cheeto fried shrimp this time. And then when I say back at it again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then go look at my previous video, because before this I was making some hot Cheeto fried chicken. And yeah, but this time we making shrimp. Now season it however you want to season it. Now I had to season it with whatever I had. And I had Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and I seasoned the shrimp first. I put the flour in a baggie, and I also seasoned the flour as well. And this time I put the crushed up hot Cheetos in the baggie too. And I just shook it all up together so that it be breaded like so. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake those Cheetos and that shrimp, yeah. And then I heated up some oil, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to heat up oil, because how else you going to fry something if you don't have any oil heated up? So the oil is heated up, and that's what I'm doing. It's snap, crackle, pie. And you wait till the shrimp start floating, and that's how you know it's done. When it starts floating, then it's done. And since it's shrimp, it don't take that long to cook. It took about like maybe 15 minutes. And yeah, last video, I almost started a fire. This video, I had all the windows and doors open. I didn't have any alarms going off. Everything was fine. Yep, you see that right there? It's crispity crunchy. Yep, And I got the paper towels inside the bowl so that it can like absorb some of the oil, because you know that oiliness is just not good for our tummy. I'm about to try this hot Cheeto shrimp. It's still a little hot, fresh out the fryer. I'm gonna say at most 20 minutes. Really good. I wish I had some ranch, but all I got is barbecue sauce. I think you should try it. You should try it. You definitely need you some green tea afterwards to balance it out. All I got is water. Thank you all for watching this video. If you made it to an end, go ahead and share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Duh. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.